Hey, my name's Dorian. This is Byrider in Milwaukee. Here's a little bit of something what I love about vehicles. I had a long time where I had no car and I had to get rides around, had to rely on other people. When you have your own car, you really don't need to worry about that at all. You can get A and B whenever you want. It gets you around real fast and it's just nice to have when you have a real car that you feel good about, you know what I mean? You can go to sleep at night feeling good knowing you got a vehicle the next day. You don't have to worry about nothing, so get a car.
Hi Byrider, my name is Jasmine. The most important thing in my life is my daughter, and I do believe in love at first sight. I fell in love with my GMC Sierra. It drives amazing.
Great.
Hey, this is Carmen from Byrider Milwaukee, and I just want to tell you what vehicle I would drive for my Valentine's Day this month. I would drive my Infiniti QX56 because it's roomy and I love the way it plays music. And you know, we just start off our day, but conversation and music.
Yeah.